guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what we're going to be doing is making this Lego set, and it says that it's Nova's room, this girl's bedroom. It has 179 pieces, so this is going to be easy to build. I have an art school over there that I built, right there, and then I have a store back there that I built, and a tree house back there that I built. So I'm really excited about this. So let's get started.
this. And then this goes like a shelf right here. So cute. And we need another shelf up above. And then that shelf will be a game controller. Looks super cute. And then we need this piece plus a tiny black piece. And put it on like that. I think this might be where the bed is going to be. Like that. And this, and this. This would be my dream bedroom, seriously. Long way. This will go right here. And then we need one of these. And this will go right here. And then we're going to be making a photo. But it's going to have a girl on it. Looks like this. I don't know. It's kind of a weird photo. Yeah. And then we need three of these. Leave on the side. We're going to put three of these right here. And then we need a fourth to go on top. And this will go right here. Now we need this plus this. Go there, and this right here. Like that. And then we need a... And the sticker goes on like that. This will go right there. And then we need these. That's cool. I'm gonna need to grab the same thing. That's the initial step. So I'm gonna go like this. find this black piece. And so now what we're making is a cool light. Like that. And what we do is, I'm going to put this on top of there. And put this on there, like that. And then this is going to go right there. So it's just really cool. But then this is where the cool desk goes. Like that. Okay, now guys, guess what? We are on to bag number 2. But we have to build something else in this one, and it's Zach. Here, put this. she sings in a microphone. Anyways, so there's these little mini, figures I really like, but, I don't know what to call them. They're like 3D mini figures. I don't know. But, yeah. And then I'm making a little creepy jar of creepy. Put that there. I don't know if I could sleep this with this facing towards me because it's facing towards the bed. I'll show you. Like that. Kitties. Kitties. And then I think this is where we make, the chair. It looks cool. But we will need to put these in here. Like this. And then we need these. Gonna keep on doing this. And this small guy goes right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to make the chair. We're gonna need this. This. Oh, but on top. You can go like this, and then that, and these go right here. This. And then we need this again, and these two. These two go back here like this, and then connect to the back of the chair. And then it's like adjustable. I don't know if I can narrow it down. And then 3 of these. And then we need and then we put this on here. This goes here, like that. And this goes here, like that. This is like a really cool chair. Look at that. And then we are going to make a small chair. Going to make a small chair like this. This goes here, like that. And then the dog gets to sleep up here. The dog. And then the girl, I'll show you. So cool. But, so the girl sits in this chair right here. This. Like that. And then the boy, I don't see where he put his laptop. Oh, he has a little space for his laptop too. And it goes right here. This is hard to get the laptop open. And then, that can go there. This guy can go there. And then her phone can just be sitting on the desk. So this doesn't really fit anywhere. There's a space. A little more space for that. I'm not gonna put the people in there. Only the